in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine or find how much memory or RAM you have installed on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right-click on a blank area of your taskbar and select Task Manager. Select Performance on the left panel. And then on the right, it should tell you your memory right here, and it'll tell you how much space you have right up at the top and how much is currently available, how much is used, but this is how much is installed will be listed right here, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.